How to make small batch chocolate at home DIY. Making your own chocolate at home is easier than you think. With just a few simple tools and some cacao beans, you can create delicious small batch chocolate. Let's get started. Start by roasting your cacao beans. Use a pan over the stove on medium to low heat. You'll know when they're ready when they start to crack. Low and slow is key, don't rush this step. While the beans are still warm, gently press each one to crack the shell. Peel away to reveal the cacao nib. Transfer the warm nibs directly into a coffee grinder. Blend them until a smooth paste is formed. Stop using the grinder every 20 to 30 seconds to prevent overheating. Once the paste is smooth, transfer it to a heat-safe bowl. Place it over a pot of hot water to keep the temperatures low, and mix in your flavors. Finally, pour your chocolate onto molds or spread it onto a tray lined with parchment paper. Let it cool in the fridge for about an hour. Don't forget to enjoy your chocolate. Are you due for a chocolate massage? Has it been a while since you've experienced the cacao ceremony? Or what about just seeing more of our secret creative designs in raw chocolate? Visit our website for all sorts of delicious possibilities with chocolate.